Crocodile. They have 60 to 110 teeth and replace 6,000 teeth in their lifetime. Crab. Some tiny crabs live inside oysters. Flamingo. Flamingo chicks are born with gray plumage, not pink. Narwhal. Narwhals primarily eat Greenland halibut, squid, and shrimp. Ants communicate by releasing chemical signals called pheromones. Dolphin. Dolphins sleep with only half of their brain active, allowing them to continue breathing. Chameleon. Chameleons have a very long tongue that they can shoot out to catch prey. Gray reef shark. These sharks are more active at night when they hunt. Honeybee. Only female worker bees collect nectar and pollen. Bat. Most bats are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. Penguin. Penguins have a thick layer of blubber and waterproof feathers to stay warm in cold waters. Beetle. Some beetles can play dead to avoid predators. Clownfish. They communicate with popping sounds. Rhino. Rhinos have poor eyesight but an excellent sense of smell and hearing. Butterfly. The patterns on a butterfly's wings help them camouflage or attract mates. Whale. Some whales sing complex songs that can travel for hundreds of miles underwater. Octopus. Octopuses can change their skin texture to blend in with their surroundings. Starfish. Starfish lack a skeleton. Rabbit. Rabbits have two sets of incisors, one behind the other, for gnawing. Cheetah. Unlike most other big cats, cheetahs have non-retractable claws. Giraffe. A giraffe's spots are unique to each individual, like fingerprints. Tiger. Tigers are solitary hunters and often mark their territory with urine. Bear. Bears have a strong sense of smell, which they use to find food. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have 50 bones in its shell. Zebra. The stripes of a zebra may also help to confuse biting insects. Orca. Orcas hunt in groups called pods and use cooperative hunting techniques. Crab. There are more than 4,500 species of crabs. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead babies are called pups. Sea otter. Sea otters have the densest fur of any mammal. Walrus. Baby walruses can grow tusks at the age of 6 months. Panda. Pandas spend most of their day eating bamboo. Camel. Camels store fat in the hump, not water. Walrus. Walruses have huge tusks that can grow up to 3 feet long, and they use them to pull themselves out of the water. Sand tiger shark. Even though they look scary, sand tiger sharks are super calm and rarely bother humans. Lobster. Lobsters taste with their legs and chew with their stomachs. Stingray. The giant freshwater stingray can grow over 5 feet wide. Saw shark. Saw sharks have long snouts with teeth on the sides, like a chainsaw, for hunting fish. Squid. Some squids can squirt ink and zoom away backward to escape predators.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo.
Hammerhead shark. The great hammerhead reaches up to 20 feet in length. Orca, killer whale. Orcas are super smart and live in families called pods. Great white shark. Great white sharks, the world's largest predatory fish, can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh several tons. Crab. Crabs walk sideways and can grow back lost legs. Seahorse. Seahorses are the only fish species that can hold your hand. Dolphin. Dolphins love to play, and they talk to each other using clicks and whistles. Whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, even bigger than dinosaurs.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Polar bear. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to soak up the sun and stay warm. Goldfish. Goldfish have great memories. They can remember things for months. Clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones, which protect them with their stinging tentacles. Octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts and 8 arms, and they can change color to hide. Sea turtle. Sea turtles can hold their breath underwater for hours and travel thousands of miles across oceans. Alligator. Alligators can replace lost teeth, and they have about 80 teeth in their mouth at a time. Goblin shark. Goblin sharks have a super stretchy jaw that shoots out to grab food, like a monster in a video game.